The Victorinox Pioneer and Spartan are probably two of the most popular pocket knives from the company. Let's find out what are the differences, similarities, and which one would be better for you. Let's start with the price. As of 2026 February, the Pioneer is roughly 44 euros or 53 US dollars, and the Spartan is 28 euros or 34 US dollars. So in a sense, the Pioneer is 1.5 times more expensive than the Spartan. Let's see if the price is just justified or not. First, let's talk about the size. The Pioneer has 93 millimeters length and the Spartan 91 millimeters in length. So if you just put it side to side, you can just see that there's a 2 millimeters difference in length. The thickness of the Pioneer is 11.7 millimeters and 13.7 of the Spartan. So you can see that the Spartan is thicker. The thickness difference almost makes up another layer for the Alox model. Both of them have 2 layers, as you can see. And while the Pioneer has 71 grams, the Spartan is 60 grams. So it's definitely lighter, but not by much. As for the looks and the materials of the scales, the Pioneer has the Alox aluminum scales and the Spartan has the Cellidor scales. I would not go into which one is better or not. This one, the Spartan, is my EDC knife that I had with me for more than 23 years. I also have a video about it. I will leave it up here somewhere. But nowadays I keep it in my rucksack with my keys, and some Alox models are my daily EDCs that I keep in my pants pockets. Now let's just see the tools. At first sight you can tell that the Spartan one has more tools. Both of them have the large knife, the can opener, the cap lifter, with all the other additional functions like the screwdrivers, wire bender, etc. The Spartan also has the small blade, while the Pioneer has an inline reamer, and the Spartan has this reamer with the sewing edge. Additionally, it has the corkscrew, tweezers, that comes really useful, and the toothpick that I never heard anyone actually picking the tooth, but it is really useful for picking the dirt out of your knife. So for example, if it is dirty inside, you can just clean it and grab out those dust particles. Otherwise it's kind of useless. So as you could see, the Pioneer has 5 tools with the key ring, and the Spartan has 9. But if you are able to find like these small screwdrivers, or there are other accessories, you can put it inside the corkscrew. That is one additional tool. Also some newer ones I have. This one is, as I told you, it has more than 20 years. The newer ones has a hole here where you can put a pin. So that's essentially another tool. Yeah, it's like this. About the color options, I will just talk about the standard colors. So the Pioneer comes in this silver only, as far as I know. But the Spartan has some standard colors. I have this camouflage one, but obviously the red one is the most popular. But there are also others like black, white, translucent, etc. The liners on the Pioneer are nickel silver and on the Spartan are made out of aluminum. None of these have locking blades. As far as the tools on the Pioneer are more robust, heavy, but the number of the tools on the Spartan is much more. Comparing the looks, I will leave it up to you, but personally I see the Alox models like the Pioneer more elegant, streamlined, just a more premium look, while the Spartan, the more classical standard. When you hear Swiss Army knife, probably you see inside your mind something similar to a Spartan in a red Cellidor. One thing that I would like to mention, that the Cellidor models that have the back tools have a recessed back springs, while the Alox models have these flush back springs. Not only that it looks better in my opinion, but there is also no place where pocket lint can hide. So it keeps the knife cleaner and longer. Just a point, just my 2 cents. You can see. In conclusion, if you want more tools in the same number of layers and want the instantly recognized Swiss Army knife at a cheaper cost and one that MacGyver look, then the Spartan is maybe better for you, obviously in the red Cellidor. But if you prefer the feeling of the Alox scales with its texture and the sturdier tools with snappier back springs, then the Pioneer should win with its more refined and streamlined look. Have you been in a situation when you needed to choose between these two models? Let me know in the comments below which one ended up you buying it. If you have enjoyed my video, you can like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you and have a nice day.